guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be diving into the IPSY versus the Boxycharm battle of the boxes. This is our monthly routine we like to do over here on this channel. We like to put these two head to head because they are so comparable. Let's talk deets here. $25 each. Both are supposed to have 5 full-size items. I mean, can you get any more comparable than that? The only real difference is that Boxycharm says their value is supposed to be $125. IPSY says it's supposed to be $120, so there's just a $5 value difference. Of course, that is the base value they say. They usually always go over it. They're never right at that cap. But yeah, let's dive into this battle of the boxes. Let's get started over here with our IPSY, see what she's got this month for July. So here is our themed bag for this month. It says Stay Golden. And yeah, we do have 5 products in here. Let's just go ahead and get one started with, let's do this one. So this right here is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. It is a set of 6. So we got 6 sheets of these individual under eye gold masks. This one I've received several times now in boxes. They are really good. I do like to use them. I haven't had them in a while, honestly. I ran out of the last time I got them in a box, but I did remember really liking them, so happy to get them again. Oh yeah, and before I forget, these ones are supposed to help hydrate, brighten, and reduce the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. So that's these guys. Next, let's dive back into the bag and let's go for this guy. The one that I always have trouble pronouncing the name, but I believe it's Il Maquillage, if I remember correctly. I always say it different every time. But this one is their mascara. It's called the Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. I like the outside packaging of this one. It's completely matte, so it gives like a cool look to it. I'm gonna not open it up so that way we don't start the countdown of the shelf life of this one. I just got a new one that I tested out last month, so still working on that one. But they do say it's supposed to have a unique brush head, image on the screen here. That's supposed to help it lengthen, curl it, lashes. You know how all the mascaras say that they're supposed to do? Like, they're like revolutionary. It's gonna change the game. You need this mascara. All of them say it. But apparently that mascara I just popped up on the screen is supposed to help with that. Then for our third item here, we got ourselves the Juice. The Juice Beauty SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's supposed to help you hydrate, maintain your skin's natural moisture balance, antioxidant rich. It's got aloe vera, vitamins, antioxidants, sea algae. I do kind of want to see how this feels on the skin. I mean, it does say oil-free, so I'm assuming it's not going to be really greasy, but I just want to put a little bit of a test on my hand right here. Just see what we're looking at. Oh, this one looks a little bit like it might have a bit of white cast. Ooh, that's got a strong smell to it. Oh, that fragrance. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I can't even describe that. What is that? Is that kind of like the algae smell? Like it smells very kind of, smells like a weird fishy smell to me. And I'm a little bit nervous that it might have a little bit of a white cast, so depending on, you know, like your makeup and things like that, it may be an issue. Just might need to stay away from flash photography with that one. On to our fourth item now, and I got something from Artist Couture. This is their Silky Lip Oil. Got a great big doe foot applicator in there. Oh, super shiny. Even though it looks pink in the tube, there is no tint to it, so it is just a clear lip oil. And I always think of a lip oil kind of like a lip balm. It's supposed to give you intense hydration, usually packed with vitamins. What does this one have? Let's find out. A blend of vitamin-rich passion fruit and raspberry seed oils to nourish and moisturize the lips, making it softer and plumper. Why not? Let's just plop a little bit of that lip oil on top. Ooh, sweet fragrance. I feel like I smell that raspberry coming in, and it's nice. And then finally, finally, our last item inside our glam bag plus, we got ourselves the Basic Beauty Bronzy AF palette. So it's a 3-pan bronzer palette, and the 3 shades that came in here are called Snatchural, Cinnamon, and Bad and Bronzy. I used to never really be a big fan of straight up bronzing palettes, but they are really versatile. You can use them a bunch of different ways. So I mean, of course you can find your own specific bronzer shade. Like I think I'm gonna lean towards that middle one. But if you are still into like contouring and things like that, you can use your bronzer shade, use the darker one to kind of like contour, chisel out areas, kind of like swirl them together, mix and match and things like that. And then you could also use like a palette for just like an eye look with it as well. So yeah, a bunch of different uses for bronzing palettes. That was now it for our Glam Bag Plus. That was the last item. And talking value here, we get ourselves $130 in value for this month's bag. We are just $5 over their kind of like estimated value there. Or wait, are they the ones that with the 120? Is that IPSY? Oh no, IPSY is the one that says 120 in value, so technically we're $10 over. So let us keep that value in mind going over to the Boxycharm, and then of course, like usual, we'll discuss both boxes at the end once we've unboxed them all. Alright, but let's slice our way now into Boxycharm. Wow, this is some thick tape this time around. Thing did not want to slice. Those baby scissors are sharp too. No wonder it felt a little bit hollow in here. They didn't put any of that padding. It was just all shaking around. I wonder if they forgot, or are they getting rid of that? But checking out the pamphlet here, it looks like the theme of the month is fantasy. Immediately gonna go for this one. I wanna show you guys the choice item for Boxycharm this month that I personally chose. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. Actually, I think she says hydrating complexion trio. Oh, wow, hydrating? Oh, okay, so it's because it's formulated with hyaluronic acid. Wow, I cannot say that. Wow, that's funny. We got 2 different kinds of bronzing palettes this time around, but one's like a brighten and bronze. The other one's just a straight up bronzing palette. So we got 3 different shades in here. We got the Rise and Grind, which is the highlight shade, or brighten shade, I mean. The Pale Wear, ? And lastly, the Cafe con Leche. I'm super excited about this one. I really wanted to try it out. I love the Alamar Cosmetic stuff that I have. I've gotten her eyeshadow palettes, the blushes, her brushes, and I mean, really great quality in her stuff. So I'm very excited to test out her bronzers now. I think the colors look really good too. So yeah, that one I was the most excited about since I chose it. Now let's see what else was in the box that I don't know about. And you know what? Let's grab this one. This one sounds really interesting. This is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. What is a detox hair serum? A nutrient plant scalp treatment. Vegan, cruelty-free. Oh, here we go. Superstar ingredients, they say. Neem oil conditions your scalp and reduces dandruff. The argan oil is supposed to support and strengthen hair follicles. Almond oil is supposed to soothe flaking and itching of the scalp. And you're supposed to use it right after washing and before styling. You should not wash this out. And you do 1 to 2 drops per each section. Oh wow, so you use a couple drops here and there, and then you're supposed to massage it in. That sounds really cool. We haven't gotten a hair serum before, a detox hair serum. I like that, giving us something a little bit different. Then there's something that I recognize here. This is the Mud Masky, the vitamin infused eye serum. Feel like I got this one before. Was it this one? Hang on, let me see if I can check. I can't find it. I don't know if it was this one. I know we've gotten Mud Masky, a bunch of different products from them. Maybe the one I was thinking of, it was their after mask treatment. It had the same kind of tube. But yeah, let's read into this. Maybe it's gonna sound familiar, I don't know. So the serum says that it's specifically formulated for the thin and sensitive skin under the eyes. Feed and moisturize with all natural vitamins like pomegranate, red algae, and kakadu plum, which they say that one contains the highest level of natural vitamin C in the world. Supposed to help improve fine lines, dark circles. Oh, even the fine lines will be less visible in 3 to 4 weeks. Then we got 2 more products in the box here, and looks like we got some more makeup. And this time we got the $1 billion brows, the Brows on Point Micro Pencil. Is that really taupe? Or did they put the wrong one in the box? Am I crazy? Is that supposed to be taupe? Looks like a kind of darker brown. I mean, that's what, I mean, maybe. I can still use it. Tried several things from $1 Billion Brows now. Have not tried the micro pencil. They've given a brow pencil before. It wasn't a micro pencil, it was a really thick one, kind of like with a crayon tip. I did not like that one. This one already feels better. I mean, it is a micro pencil, so you do get a lot more control than that other one. The only thing I don't really like about the $1 Billion Brows being inside the box, it does not feel, I don't want to say luxe, because it's not like it's a luxe box, but well, let me put it like this. So they are consistently at TJ Maxx. If you go to TJ Maxx or even Marshall's, I guarantee you like 90% of the time you're gonna find $1 Billion Brows there, and they are very affordable. Like their brow pencils, the ones that I do not like, you can find them there for, I think it's like $3.99. So they are consistently there with most of their products. So, you know, it just makes it feel a little bit like iffy about it with the kind of value you're supposed to be getting for the box is all I'm saying. I don't know if I'm the only one who feels that way or if I'm just being a little bit too picky, but you know, it's kind of my thoughts on it. But now we just got one more product in the box, and we got ourselves the Grande Cosmetics Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Say what now? The Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Oh my god, that's a massive doe foot applicator for this liquid highlighter. And the shade I got is French Pearl. And we're also gonna see if there's any plumping that happens here. And in the meantime, while we wait for that, let's look this bad boy up. I am very curious about this. It says it's supposed to lift, plumpen, and illuminate with a powerful ingredient complex. Firm and tightens fine lines and wrinkles. A highlighter does that? Hydrate your skin with a dewy look. But how? Okay, dab onto the high points of your face, focusing on the cheekbones, the brow bones, the cupid's bow, and the bridge of the nose. Pat formula in, and you're supposed to feel an instant lifting and tightening within 1 to 2 minutes. Maybe use on bare skin or over makeup. Okay, so we need to plop it on half of my face and test this out. I feel like we have to. I mean, I already have makeup on the face. I think I'll put some on the back of my hand and we'll kind of like dab it out like that, maybe? This makeup has been on all day, so I'm glad we're doing this toward the end. It's probably gonna break apart. A little here, a little there. And I guess now we wait. Oh, it's starting to tingle. I feel it a little bit on the cupid's bow and the cheekbone here. Starting to get that tingly sensation. Okay, so I only put it on this half of the face. The other half has nothing. Do we see a difference? I can't tell. I mean, I feel the tingling, but I don't know if I see a difference. I want to say like, oh, maybe I see a little bit right here on the cheekbone, a little difference compared to this eye, but I don't know if it's my mind playing tricks on me because I'm staring at it for too long. I might use it a few times and see what we're working with there, because that's interesting. I've never tried a product like that before. Plumping highlighter, that's new. That was it though. That was our last product for our Boxycharm base box. She is empty. And value-wise, Boxycharm definitely kicked IPSY out the water here. We got a $208 value for this month's box. We did have some kind of like higher ticket priced items that I didn't even know were that high in price. It's the Detox Hair Serum. This thing was $79. Like, holy moly. And the Mud Masky, that one I should have known. This one's always expensive. That one was 63 bucks. So we did have some higher kind of value items over on Boxycharm's side. So value-wise, Boxycharm did take the win this month. Looking at all of the items, what am I thinking? Wow, my face is really tingly on this side. I'm kind of like, do I want to keep using it? I don't know. It's quite tingly. How long does it last? I don't know. I feel like This month may have been a little bit of a draw. I feel like I leaned slightly more towards Boxycharm because I was so excited about the Alamar Cosmetics, and that hair serum I think has me excited. I think those two items have me excited from that box the most. So I think I'm gonna lean towards Boxycharm for this month. I did feel like this month was a little bit, I don't know, it was one of those months where things felt a little bit safe. Maybe IPSY and Boxycharm got in a little bit of a slump with their Glam Bag Plus and the base box. Let's hope that next month we get a little bit more of a wow moment in those boxes, because I do feel like this month it was a little bit meh. Boxycharm won by just tiny amount. But yeah, that's where we're gonna be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!